Is that a Black Widow?
Black Spider.
Look at that little bastard. He looks shiny and mean. Sorry, but you look poisonous. I'm Ryan Kruesi, this is Kruesi Originals. This is a 2021 Street Glide that we are building into some really dopeness, and we're gonna give it away. And all you have to do is go to the link that will be up here, coastxcoast.org, to the store section that says Kruesi Originals in there, donate $100 to the cause, and it gets you a chance to win this. That money goes to help veterans coming home from combat get PTSD and TBI treatment. If you don't know anything about what that is, look into it. It is a serious issue in America today, and we're gonna do what it takes to get rid of it, or help out with it. I don't think we can get rid of it, but we can help out with it at least. Gonna do a bunch of stuff today on this thing. There's like 3 videos out already. We've just kind of been tearing it down. We did Geezer Glide, Geezer Engineering now, trees. We're doing Legends front end, 2-overs. This stuff is all at the powder coater getting done up right now. We did some Legends arcs on the rear. Santora Fabworks cage on it. We're gonna tear the cam chest apart today. We're gonna tear the primary apart today for a chain drive kit. Gonna get all that stuff tore apart. I can't really put it all together yet because I need the front end to pull the rear wheel off to finish the back half of those projects. But we're gonna move forward as far and as fast as we can. Me and Trent got in last night at 1:30. We went out to San Diego Harley Davidson's grand reopening and the 120th anniversary party. Centers only did a stunt show out there. It was super dope. It was a good time. We have a video coming out for that. We also went to the lot yesterday and rode all day long. My first real good riding day, drifting good again, finally feeling good on a bike again after a year of not riding because of a neck explosion. But it was dope. It was a good time. I'm sore, really tired, and we're gonna move through this as hard as we can. It's also Arizona Bike Week right now. So it's Monday, it started Friday, it goes till next Sunday. We're doing stunt shows at Atessa Raceway Saturday and Sunday, and then we're gonna be bebopping around to all the events. We gotta go see the Saddlemen guys and the Legends guys over here and there and all over the place, and gonna be tearing it up like Wednesday through the rest of the week. So hustling hard today and tomorrow, and we're gonna get as much shit done as we can, which honestly, how I'm feeling is not much. I also got pretty hammered with old Jake Masters from Australia last night. It was a good time. I think we're gonna go to Australia in January, so watch out. We're going down under. I'm definitely feeling rough. Hey Trent, does this cam chest kit have push rods? You know, before I go snipping these in half, I should make sure I got push rods for this. Let's just dig all this shit out anyways. Ooh, come on, baby. Oh, would you look at that? There they are. Got a 475. This is a whole cam chest build kit. This is all on our website. Comes with everything you need. It's 475 cam. 107s usually make around 115 horsepower, 120 foot-pounds, depending on what pipe and intake and tuner and all that shit you have. And then the 114s, last one we did made like 128 and 132 foot-pounds with a cam. That is insane. Yeah, baby. Trash. These things are trash.
No, if we could just get it dropped off and diagnosed at least, that'd be great.
We need it back by 2 tomorrow afternoon though.
Yeah, for sure. Let me get this tank back together and I'll get it up to you guys in probably like an hour or so.
It's real convenient having buddy sets Harley Davidson up the road. We can take shit there and plug it into their digital tech, and they can tell us what's going on with the computer shit that I don't understand. I'm not gonna pretend like I do understand it either, because I fucking hate computers. I can build you a motor and all the metally fancy shit, but if I gotta do some kind of computery thing on this thing, I'm not too keen. Not too keen. That's right, learned from old Jake Masters this weekend. Kruesi man was not keen, man. Well, there she is, stock oil pump with the upgraded seal. Yeah, when you buy an S&S kit, you have to buy this seal sold separately because Harley has a patent on it, and they won't let nobody else make it. Look at that bad boy, she tore apart, she tore. I could probably put the cam chest together today, actually. Pull the bags off. You take these automatic chain tensioners out, they go springing up and all that stuff, and you got to push them back together. You just pry that guy up a little bit, a little bend in the zip tie. Now when you take this out, it's already ready to go back in. Holds her right where she needs to be. Then when you put it back in, just put it back in there, cut the zip tie, pull it out. You're done. That fucking spider moving? You alive? Oh yeah, he's alive. You got a fucking black widow? You're there like a brown recluse. It's some nasty looking fucking thing that we're gonna kill right now. Sorry, but you look poisonous. Where'd he go? You don't need your fucking ass wandering around in here. Old fucking Nibbler was his name.
I do not know. Make sure you pull out the cable.
Reservoir cap. All these elite levers is elite brake lever, elite cap, got elite clutch lever. It's all on the website. Yerd, you nerd. Do we have mirrors? Hit up Willy Woo. Just tell him what we're doing right here and go. Let me get some mirrors, Willie. Pro One, Willy Woo. He's the homie. They definitely have the dopest mirrors out there. I like them a lot. Probably black, I would say. If they had pink, that would be cool. I'm tired. I think any riding could wait for tomorrow. I think that's it for today. Don't have any powder coat. Should have the powder coat tomorrow for the front legs, and then I can put the front end together. And then I can put the whole front end together, and then we can get back on this stuff. So this is like a step-by-step process of watching us build this bike, and then you can win it. But in order to win it, you got to enter. So Go donate. There'll be a link in the description. If you go to coastxcoast.org and go to the store, you'll see a big old thing that has Kruesi Originals and the Coast to Coast logo. And you go there, donate $100. It goes to vets that need PTSD and TBI treatment, and you can win this motorcycle. This thing's going to be dope. This ends May 10th. So if you don't get in before then, you ain't getting in. So don't miss out. Go get in on it. It's going to be awesome. We're going to go hard with this. I don't even know what the date is today, but we probably got like 4 weeks left, huh?
It's March 27th.
March 27th. Today, as we're filming, this will probably come out like Thursday. You have this ready for me Thursday, Jacob? Thursday, the last day of the month. Second to last day of the month. It's almost April Fool's Day. If we're doing a stunt show on April Fool's Day, I promise we'll be there. Probably. I'm Ryan Kruesi. This is Kruesi Originals. This is going to be a super sick street glide that you could win, like I said. So go do it. Thank you very much. Like, subscribe. Remember, all this shit's on coastxcoast.com. Thank your mom. Peace!